A year or so back when the Khalli memes really started to trend, I was like, like he started getting all the funny comments and the Khalli thing started to trend really hard. I would like go through the comments and I would just lose my mind. I would be like, this is too funny.
Oh my god, guys!
देखो वही सबके साथ
खल्ली सर मास्क होगा?
ले पकड़
What's up WWE Universe India? मैं हूँ Galen Mendonca and you're watching WWE Now India. Have you ever loved someone so much that it makes you laugh out loud? Sounds weird, I know. लेकिन इसी वर्ड को कूल बनाते हैं हमारे आज के आई मेगा फैन, जो द ग्रेट खली के लिए अपना प्यार अपने ह्यूमर के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. Just like his name, he's truly priceless. So join me in welcoming the one and only I Mega fan of the day, Anmol Raina.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very well. How's it going?
It's going quite well. I'm quite excited to be here.
Well, we're really excited to have you here. सबसे पहले तो हमने आपकी रील्स देखे, आपका अमेजिंग जो आप कंटेंट बनाते हैं उसको देख के हम बहुत हंसे. We've enjoyed ourselves so very much. सबसे पहले let's go back in time, start at the very beginning. मुझे ये बताइए कि how did you get this reputation of being the funny guy? Were you the class clown?
I could say I was the class clown, but obviously initially it was the class clown who got no laughs. And yeah, so then it slowly turned into something where I would get like positive reactions.
Right.
And then, yeah, like initially it was just being dumb in class. Not exactly the class clown, because the class clown would get some reactions.
Absolutely.
I would just be dumb with my friends and like 3 people would laugh.
Well, Anmol, we know of your love for reels and social media, but we also know of your love for the great Khali. इस दोनों के बीच में ये जो जुगलबंदी आपने बनाई है, tell us more about that.
So my love for the Great Khali started right when he came to SmackDown, when he debuted and defeated The Undertaker. Initially, I wasn't so sure if he's Indian, but then I searched it up and I found out that he's Indian, and ever since then, I've been hooked to him.
Absolutely. All right, Anmol, let's get straight down to business. I know that you're very, very popular because of your Khali reels. ये idea आपके मन में कहाँ से आया?
So I guess like a year or so back when the Khalli memes really started to trend, I was like, like he started getting all the funny comments and the Khalli thing started to trend really hard. I would like go through the comments and I would just lose my mind. I would be like, this is too funny. So I was like, I have to like somehow translate those comments into content that, I can like recreate. Like basically turn those comments into content. So like it started from his comment section basically.
Oh, wow. So that's where the inspiration actually came from.
Like it literally came from there. Like just how the whole everything Khalli does is huge and extreme, and his
Larger than life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's where it came
That's
from.
where
His
it came
comment
from.
section. Yep.
Anmol, in the year 2021, one of the greatest things to ever happen to the WWE Universe in India happened. The Great Khali was inducted in the WWE Hall of Fame. जब आपको ये खबर मिली, what was your reaction?
I was super proud and also super psyched to see an Indian get inducted to the Hall of Fame. And like after legends such as Kane, Shawn Michaels, etc., I was just super proud, and it's not a small deal.
Absolutely.
So I was just super proud being an Indian. And Khalli was the second Indian to get inducted, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, Dara Singh was the first.
Exactly, yeah. So it was just a big deal for all of us back home.
Alright, Anmol, हमें ये पता है कि आप the Great Khali के एक बहुत ही legit fan हैं, but we still want to put you to the test. मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी about the Great Khali, and you have to give me the right answers. Let's see how many do you get right. Are you ready?
I'm completely ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I can see your game face is on.
I've been prepared for this for a really long time.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. The Great Khali का WWE debut कब हुआ था?
If I'm 2006.
That's right. Could you get specific?
April 6th?
April 7th.
Okay.
That's not
Pretty
bad.
close, pretty
That's not
close,
bad.
pretty
close. The Great Khali का hometown कहाँ है?
It's like somewhere in the Himachal Pradesh, in the hills.
Are you sure it's not somewhere like in Jalandhar maybe?
No, I think it's Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh?
Yeah.
That's right. It's in Dhirena in Himachal Pradesh. Good job. WWE superstar और प्रोफेशनल रेसलर बनने से पहले खली का क्या प्रोफेशन था?
He was a police officer.
That was fairly simple. I think
Yeah.
every The Great Khali fan knows this about The Great Khali. The next one, Khali WWE में world champion कब बने?
2007.
Are you sure?
Like 100% sure.
Well, that answer is 100% correct. The next one, जब खली WWE में स्नेक चार्मर बने थे,
Yeah.
do you remember that phase?
Yeah.
तो उनके साथ उस सेगमेंट में कौन सा WWE सुपरस्टार था?
Jinder Mahal.
That is right. That is right. That was a cool phase also. The Great Khali ने किस WWE सुपरस्टार को किस किया था?
This was such an iconic, like, you know, moment that I can never forget. It was Beth Phoenix.
It is Beth Phoenix.
Yeah.
And I think that's another reel that's really doing the rounds on social media these days. So it's very difficult to forget that as well, guys. You know what? मेरे सारे questions खत्म हो चुके हैं and you've answered them all correctly. Good job, man. You truly are a Great Khali fan. Told you. Alright. क्या आपको ऐसे कभी लगता है कि आपने जो इतने reels बनाए हैं on the Great Khali, what if the Great Khali actually watches them one day? उनका क्या reaction होगा? Have you ever thought of that moment?
I have actually, and I hope that he has a positive reaction. That's all I can hope for.
For now, imagine कीजिए कि The Great Khali यहाँ पे है, बिल्कुल आपके सामने. ये कैमरा The Great Khali है. Alright? Anmol, is there anything you'd like to say to The Great Khali? There you go. Oh my God, guys!
This is really something like.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you,
Welcome.
ma'am. Thank you so much. और कैसे बढ़िया? Please, ma'am, sit down.
Please, sir, please. For the very first time in the history of WWE Now India, Mega Fan, a dream has truly come true. The one and only WWE superstar, The Great Khali, meets his greatest fan, Anmol Raina. Sir, ये है अनमोल
अनमोल.
और ये आपके सबसे बड़े फैन हैं. इनफैक्ट इन्होंने
कहाँ से belong करते हो आप?
सर मतलब मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ, बट मैं हूँ कश्मीर से.
है कश्मीर से रहते
हाँ
हो.
जी.
दिल्ली क्या करते हो?
कंटेंट बनाता हूँ और
रील बनाता.
हाँ जी और फैमिली बिजनेस में भी पार्ट लेता हूँ.
सर ये आप पे बहुत सारे रील्स बना चुके हैं. उन सारे रील्स पर 1 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा व्यूज इन्हें मिले हैं. Yes, and he's a really big fan. So everything that you were saying to the Great Khali on camera, you can
Yeah.
now say to him in person.
Khali sir, I love you. I absolutely love you.
Love you too, bro.
अगर हम खड़े होते, I would give you a big hug.
Yeah, sure.
You can do it right now. Oh my God.
Khali sir, this is a big moment for me.
आपकी हाइट तो आपकी अच्छी है ना?
आपकी जितनी तो ये मैं
पूरे
ठीक ठाक
6 पैक
है.
लग रहे हैं आपके हैं.
थोड़े बहुत से-
show, man. Wow. That's good.
Amazing.
Good job, bro. Good job.
Khali sir, I actually
जाओ यार.
love you.
Love you too, bro.
Wonderful. Anmol, this truly is a dream come true
It
moment for you,
actually
right?
is a dream
How
come
are you
true.
feeling right now?
I feel amazing. Like the whole waking up early at 4 a.m., leaving, coming here on time, everything was completely worth it for this moment.
For this very moment,
Exactly.
right?
For sitting across Khali sir. This is amazing.
Well, Anmol, अब तक तो आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ Instagram पे
हाँ जी.
उनका या तो पिक्चर यूज किया है
हाँ
या
जी.
तो इमोजी यूज किया है,
हाँ जी.
लेकिन आज जो है द ग्रेट खली आपके सामने इन द फ्लैश बैठे हैं. सो वुड यू रियली लाइक टू मेक सम कंटेंट विद हिम?
I would love to. Sir, अगर आप बनाना चाहो तो
हाँ, प्लीज आप बना सकते हैं.
I would love to.
आप बनाइए और मैं देखना भी चाहूँगा कि कैसे कैसे बनाते हैं.
खली सर मास्क होगा?
ले पकड़.
Those were some spectacular reels. Absolutely amazing, so very entertaining. But with that, we come to the end of this episode of WWE Now India. I Mega Fan. आज अनमोल का सपना पूरा हुआ है. So he met his idol, the great Khali, the WWE superstar. तो जाने से पहले अनमोल, the great Khali has a special something for you. Are you ready for it?
I am. I think so.
Here you go.
That's for you, bro.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
अनमोल, आई होप कि आपका ये जो सपना है
Yeah.
हम आई मेगा फैन के थ्रू पूरा कर पाए.
Definitely.
खली सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. आई होप कि आपको उतना ही मजा आया अनमोल के साथ रील्स बनाने में.
बहुत मजा आया मेरे को और बहुत ही ग्रेट फैन इनकी. मैं देखता रहता था रील तो, लेकिन सोचता था पता नहीं कब मिले ना मिले. तो आज देखो आप लोगों ने मिला दिया, सो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you so much, sir. Guys, this is it. That's all we have for you on this episode of WWE Now India I Mega Fan. अगर आप भी अनमोल की तरह एक मेगा फैन हैं, all you gotta do is reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, and who knows, you may be sitting across your idol next. With that, we're gonna say goodbye. This is Anmol Raina, the great Khalid, and me, Galen, saying bye-bye. Say bye, Muli.
बाय. मेरा कौन सा काम है ये?
Sir, ये.
बाय गाइस.